What's going on, folks? It's your man Jay Will. So I got my first case in. I bought this on Amazon for $9 or $8 or something like that. And I bought a tempered glass too, but the tempered glass wasn't right. And I've seen a lot of people run into issues with the tempered glass because on the front here, there's a little hole right there. The sensors get covered and it won't allow you to do face unlock. So keep that in mind when you're deciding to buy your first case for your iPad Pro 11 or your iPad 12.9 Pro. So if you can see these cutouts right here, I didn't notice those until after I bought this case. There's sensors right there. And then there's obviously the sensors for the face unlock. But one thing to remember is that make sure your case has all of those cutouts right there. Make sure it has those cutouts. And then on the top, you can see, make sure the cutouts are for the microphones. There's two microphones up there. This case, this iPad has fantastic microphones. So two cutouts for microphones there, two speakers, make sure you got that. And then on this side, make sure you have the cutout for the microphone on the bottom. On this side right here, you can see you got the Type-C and the two speakers down there. And even on this one, even though you probably won't be able to use this, I think they just put it on there just for general purposes. This is the magnetic slot for the Apple Pencil if you want to charge. And the power and volume are there. Overall, man, I really like this case. Again, it was just $8 or something like that, $9. I don't remember what I paid for it the other day. It came in pretty fast, 2 days with Amazon. The tablet is thin, right? But this case, I didn't know how I was going to feel about this case. I actually have the poetic version of this case for the 9.7 Pro iPad. And it's a lot thicker because that tablet is a little bit thicker. But with this being really thin, it still get drop protection on the corners. You can see it kind of slopes out like this. Yeah. Slopes out along there, so it gives you some curves. So if you want to hold it, it's good to go. And if you want to put it on a stand, this case will help protect your iPad for sure. I really like this this case, man. It comes in, I think it comes in a different color, but I just obviously went with the black. I have to check that link again. But overall, man, this is a case that I wanted because the keyboard cases, they're okay, but they're really expensive and I want protection. And those keyboard cases don't offer protection. And with the new iPad Pro, with the Type-C, I can plug in monitors. I can hook up Bluetooth keyboards and stuff that I like. And I could save a lot of money by buying protective cases instead. Because for the first time, I didn't get Apple Care. I can go back in and add it, I think, in the first 30 days. But, I don't think I'm going to have Apple Care on this right here. I paid for it just $800, $865, whatever I paid for it. But it's cool, man. It won't leave the house very often. I might take it on a few trips. But yeah, this case is really nice. I really like it. And I'm happy. I knew the brand is Bear Motion, but Poetic actually makes one of these too a long time ago. They used to. They don't make them anymore. But this is Bear Motion. I've purchased a lot of Bear Motion stuff for my BlackBerry phones. So cutouts around the camera, you now get a little bit of protection on there. This is a hot look, man. I really like this case, and I really like the iPad Pro 11, man. So it's your man Jay. Wanted to give you a quick video update on my new case, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Time to get out of here.